Ransomware Threat Landscape, June 2026. How to use public victim trackers. Here's what patients and businesses need to know right now. Ransomware operators are publishing victim names faster than ever. We're looking at how public trackers give defenders an early warning and what your domain's email security posture says about your overall risk. The speed of disclosure. Ransomware leak sites versus regulatory filings. In the current ransomware landscape, victim names often appear on leaked sites within hours of encryption. This is a stark contrast to traditional regulatory filings, such as those from state ag portals or HSR reports, which can lag weeks or even months behind the initial compromise. Ransomware groups leverage these public disclosures to pressure victims into paying the ransom. For defenders, this means public trackers are becoming an indispensable tool for early warning. Leveraging public trackers for early warning. Security teams are actively using public trackers like ransomware, Lev, BreachSense, and Bleeping Computers data breach tag to get ahead. Ransomware. Lev, for instance, documents group profiles, victim counts, and even leak site mirrors. BreachSense offers searchable breach records, making it easier to find specific incidents. Bleeping Computer provides in-depth investigative reporting on major incidents, including recent campaigns targeting Fortinet firewalls and the Texas government. These resources provide critical intelligence long before official reports emerge. Understanding audit scores. What SBIAD, DKIM, and DMARC measure. While public trackers give you insight into the threat landscape, understanding your own domain's security posture is crucial. Our independent domain audit at audit.emailmano.com scans for key email security protocols SB, DKIM, and DMARC. SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, helps prevent email spoofing by specifying which mail servers are authorized to send email for your domain. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, adds a digital signature to your emails, verifying their authenticity and ensuring they haven't been tampered with. DMARC, or Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, builds on SPF and DKIM, telling receiving mail servers how to handle emails that fail authentication. Whether to quarantine, reject, or simply monitor them. These scores indicate your domain's resistance to email-based attacks like phishing and spoofing, which are often precursors to ransomware. What audit scores do not measure. It's important to clarify what our domain audit scores do not measure. While strong SB, DKIM, and DMARC configurations significantly reduce the risk of email-borne threats, they do not directly measure your internal network security, employee training against social engineering, the strength of your backup and recovery systems, or your overall incident response plan. These are critical components of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy that go beyond email authentication. Our audit focuses specifically on your public-facing email security posture, which is a vital first line of defense but not the entire picture. High-risk sectors and proactive defense. Based on ag filings, OSRA statistics, and ransomware tracker patterns, certain sectors appear more frequently in U.S. victimless. These include manufacturing, healthcare, education, and government. If you operate in one of these sectors or any other, understanding your email security posture is paramount. Proactive defense starts with strong email authentication to prevent initial compromise attempts, combined with vigilance using public threat intelligence. For detailed sector-specific insights, you can find our TexAssist ransomware tracker and hospitality and retail breaches dashboards on our site. This content is for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. The domain audit is an independent public domain audit based on publicly available DNS records and does not access any private or internal systems. What company or domain should we scan next? Let us know in the comments below. And for a free email security audit, visit audit.emailmano.com.